I'm Jon Larson, Technical Trainer for Surface and Exploration Drilling with Epiroc USA. Today we're working with the PowerROC D60. And we're going to talk about the Watermist system, how to turn it on, off, and adjustments. Here inside the cab, we have the controls for the Watermist system. We have a 3-position switch and a dial for adjusting the flow. In position 1, the knob right next to it will increase or decrease the amount of water injected into the system. With the switch centered, the system is off. With the switch towards you, you have full water injection, which is not adjustable, and it's called a flood situation for collaring the hole. For draining the Watermist system, we simply turn it to the off or neutral position on the switch that we talked about inside the cab. Run full flushing air until there's no more water coming out of the drill pipe or drill bit, as you see. If you need further assistance from these videos, please go to the website epiroc.us. That's EPIROC.us. Or make note of our toll-free 1-844-437-4262. Or contact your local service center that's by Epiroc or your dealer.